Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where to create and find the Transcended Stones in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to know the hidden location to craft the Transcended Stone, you can just follow my steps in here. So I've already in the ancient jungle, as you guys can see. Now you can just head into this sacred temple, but don't go inside. So if you want to create the Transcendent Stones, you can just go to the top of the temple. So just go through here. So before creating the stones, you need to have at least one secret fish. And in here you'll see the temple guardian, and you can just here ask about Transcendent Stones. It allows you to apply a second road enchant. So what you need to do here is just hold a secret fish. For example, I'm going to choose this one, the giant squid, like this. And now you can just head into the altar in here, and so you need to proceed first and then hold the secret fish and talk to the temple guardian again and choose a destroy held secret fish. And after that you got the Transcended Stone. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can get the Transcended Stones in Fish It, this one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.